So hello and welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Saujanya Sane. So this video is going to be on a different topic. In fact, it is going to be on a very interesting topic. In this video, I am going to tell you an amazing fact. अब ये फैक्ट है या कोई मिस्ट्री है या सीक्रेट है या माइथोलॉजी है, ये आप खुद डिसाइड कीजिए बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस इज अ फैक्ट and this fact is connected to one very beautiful place which I visited recently. अब ये प्लेस कौन सी है, ये प्लेस कहाँ पे है, ये फैक्ट क्या है, ये सब मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ. सो गाइज विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेन वीडियो. सो मेन वीडियो चालू करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हो या फिर इसके पहले भी आए थे लेकिन अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए गाइस, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही ट्रैवल रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेटिव और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस लेके आता हूँ. तो जैसे कि वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बताया था कि द अमेजिंग फैक्ट विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इज कनेक्टेड विद वन प्लेस. नाउ द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड. This place is located in Udupi district of Karnataka state. Now this is a very beautiful place. In fact मैंने इस place के ऊपर already एक informative वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे अपलोड किया है. अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक देखा नहीं है तो उसे ज़रूर देख लीजिए गाइज, लेकिन ये वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद. सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड पहुँचने के बाद हमने एक बहुत ही यूनिक और एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ देखी और वो थी ये रॉक्स जो अभी आपके स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं. नाउ दीज रॉक्स वर रियली यूनिक and very strange. Now I would like to share some details about these rocks. These rocks are called as the hexagonal basaltic rocks. अब इनकी स्पेशलिटी ये है कि ये पूरे इंडिया में आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड में ही देखने मिल सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज द रीज़न वाई सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड इज कंसिडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द जियोलॉजिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ देर इज वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दिस रॉक्स. In fact, this fact is the base of my video. These rocks are considered as one of the evidence for a very interesting theory called as the continental drift theory. अभी आपके दिमाग में दो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. नंबर 1 कि ये continental drift theory क्या है. नंबर 2 what is the connection of these rocks with the continental drift theory. नाउ आई विल बी आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चंस, लेकिन वो करने से पहले अगर अभी तक आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिए गाइस. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द मेन पॉइंट. व्हाट इज दिस कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थियरी. ये कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थियरी क्या है. सो एज पर दिस थियरी द 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स विच वी आर सीइंग टुडे they were actually a part of one big landmass or they were a part of one big continent. So gradually this one big landmass started to drift away और इस drifting को बोलते हैं continental drift. So over a period of time this drifting resulted into formation of 7 continents which you can see today. Now this process took many million years. In fact, it is said that even today this movement is happening. Now this theory was proposed by Alfred Wegener in the year 1912. Initially this theory was criticized, but later many evidences were found and based on those evidences it is now almost certain that the continental drift theory is true. Now the question is this, that what is the connection between the continental drift theory and the Saint Mary's Island. तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि gradually over a period of time many evidences were found and based on those evidences the continental drift theory is almost a fact now. Out of many evidences, one such evidence was that the flora and fauna found on the coastal areas of one continent was almost similar to the other continent. So basically these hexagonal rocks which are found at Saint Mary's Island in India are also found in a island country called as Madagascar, which is a part of the African continent. In fact, this information has also been given on Saint Mary's Island. The moment you are entering Saint Mary's Island, there is an informative board on the entrance of the island which state this fact. So basically these rocks are a proof that around 88 million years ago, before the continental drift started to happen, the Indian subcontinent and the African subcontinent were together and were a part of a larger continent. In fact, as per this theory, this continent was called as Gondwana and this continent was comprising 5 continents of today, namely South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia and the Indian subcontinent. So guys, isn't this theory amazing? and the fact that a place which is in our own country is one of the evidences to this theory makes me feel really awesome. So guys, I hope after watching this video you got to know something more than what you knew before. So guys, don't forget to like this video and also comment your views on this video, and also make sure that you are sharing this video amongst your friends as well as family members, so that even they will come to know about this amazing fact. So guys, until next video, bye bye.